When water damage hits your Tampa Bay home, you're probably wondering if you can stay put during restoration. The answer depends on several critical factors. If damage is minor and contained to one area with clean water, you might be able to stay in unaffected parts of your home. But you must leave immediately if there's sewage contamination, structural damage, extensive mold, or electrical hazards. The biggest mistake homeowners make? Waiting to see if things improve. In Florida's humidity, mold starts growing within 24 hours. Don't use fans on wet areas or turn up the heat, as this spreads contamination. Professional assessment is always essential to detect hidden moisture behind walls. When in doubt, prioritize your family's safety over convenience.